It's a nice gift.
Yes, nice gift.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Can you open it?
Yes.
Open it. See what it is? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Can you wear them?
Yeah.
Put it on you. Ah, you know it's a little bag there, right?
Yeah, it's a little bag.
Nice. See?
This way there. Right there.
Yeah,
The little bag right there.
yeah. Put those glasses on you.
Yeah.
Let me see. Let's see.
Oh.
Let me see you. Okay.
Hi. The one.
Yeah, put it. No. Like that way.
The one. The one way.
Yeah, you put it in the wrong way. So now you have to put it like back.
Yeah, just like that.
Oh.
There we go.
Like this?
Yeah, like this.
Oh.
It's nice. There we go.
Really good job.
Good job. Okay. That looks so nice on you. What they are for?
For running.
For running?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you run with it? Let me show me. Show me how you run with those glasses.
Okay.
Nice.
job.
What's the brand of those glasses?
T40.
And they're enthusiastic eyewear.
Nice. Say bye-bye
Bye-bye. Thank you, Jessica,
for the glasses.
for glasses.
Nice. Okay.